You're listening to NOAA All Hazards Radio, the voice of the National Weather Service, station KWN. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Collin County in north-central Texas, southeastern Grayson County in north-central Texas, southwestern Fannin County in north-central Texas, until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:32 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Anna, or 16 miles northeast of McKinney, moving southwest at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include McKinney, Allen, Wiley, Prosper, Anna, Fairview, Princeton, Salina, Lucas, Van Alstyne, Leonard, Lowry Crossing, Melissa, Blue Ridge, Trenton, New Hope, Weston, and Westminster. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.